hot, 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 hot! 暑いよー日本の夏は。Hi, I'm Aaron Jones and welcome to another vlog coming to you from Niihama in Japan. And as I mentioned in some of my other vlogs, it's been very hot. And I wanted to talk about Japanese summers because they're very hot and humid. Now it has been hot, but it's been getting hotter, and it's been very hot the last 2 weeks. It's been up to 38 degrees Celsius, which is about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, plus the humidity, which makes it very, very hot when you go outside, and even inside the buildings with air conditioning. Now, it's after the tsunami and earthquake a few years ago, 2011, they have a thing in Japan called Setsuden, to save electricity and energy. So air conditioning and everything is not turned to super cold, but just a little bit just to make it comfortable, but it's still hot. And you can see, even though today is a little bit cooler and I do have air conditioning on, it's still very humid, and so when you move it just becomes very moist and wet. Now I do prefer the summer rather than the winters in Japan, even though it is hot and humid, because winters are very cold. But it has been really, really hot, and it's just unbearable. And anyways, so some things that I do to try to keep cool is, of course, take a lot of cold showers, especially before going to bed, because in the middle of the night it just gets so hot and you wake up all the time. And so that's one of the things that I do to try to defeat the heat. But just moving and then wearing, if you're wearing shorts and stuff, not so bad when you go outside, but it's just hot non-stop. Anyways, if you have any suggestions how to keep cool, over the 11 years I've lived here, I just kind of got used to bearing with it, but recently it has been very bad in the humidity. I don't think there's much you can do about it. They do sell in Japan all kinds of things where you can put cold water and spray yourself to keep yourself cool, but it's sometimes not really practical. Anyways, that's all I wanted to talk about today. I wanted to complain a little bit about the heat because it has been very, very hot, and now it's August has started. Today is August 3rd, and so another month and a half or so, and it'll start to cool down. Once the humidity has kind of gone away, it's much, much better. So if you are ever planning to visit Japan, the best time is either the spring or the fall, because the summer is very hot and the winter is cold. Partly because the winter is cold in Japan. I know a lot of buildings and apartments are built for the humidity, so they don't have a lot of insulation, so it can be very cold. But of course, if you're just visiting and staying in hotels, you won't deal with that problem. But if you're living in a Japanese house or an apartment, they're built for the humidity in the summer, really, and so in the winter it gets very, very cold, especially in the part of Japan where I am here in Shikoku. Anyways, go ahead, if you have any comments about how to deal with hot and humidity, especially in this part of Asia is very, very hot and humid, go down and give me your experiences down below in the comments. Please subscribe to keep updated on my other content, such as my vlogs, my Inspire Magic series, my Cool News series. And until next time, see you then. Bye bye.